Okay, Gracie. All right, put it down. Put your bib down. Hey, you. Look it. Do you want some more? Do you want? Ooh, that's too much. Do you want some more? Ready? Open. Open your mouth. Ah. Ah. There you go. Good girl. You got it. You got it. Is that yummy? Is that yummy? Here. You want to sit up a little more. Whoa. Okay. That looks like it's better. You ready? You ready? Ah. Ah. Yeah, you got it. Is that yummy? Hey, you. Hey, put the bib down. We'll eat. We'll keep eating. All right, ready? Here comes some more. Ah. Ah. There. Look it. It's in. It's in. Yeah, what do you think of that? What do you think of that? Huh? Like this. Ready? Ah. Ah. Put that spoon in there. It's a spoon. It's an eating utensil. It's what we use to feed our face. Ready? Open your mouth. Yeah, I know. Good girl. Look at that. What are you going to do with it? You got some down. How about you forget about your feet for a minute so we can eat? There it is. You got it. You got it. And what are you going to do? Are you going to swallow it? No, don't wipe it up. You're silly. You're silly. You're silly. What do you think of this eating? You're a good girl.